sa National Museum of Natural History sa Maynila. Maaari mong makita ang mga labi ng pinakamalaking buhayang nahuli sa mundo, si Lolo, na galing Mindanao. Ang mga museo gaya nito, ang kadalasan nagiging hantungan ng labi ng mga kakaiba at kilalang hayop. Isa pang kilalang hayop, ang kamamatay lang na star attraction ng Manila Zoo. Ang mga labi ng elepanteng minahal ng marami ay nasa Mindanao na raw. Nagtungo kami roon.
Daryl!
Hey, Howie, you ready for a cave adventure?
I'm very ready. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ang gabay namin dito ay si Daryl Blatchley.
And so we went up there to take a look at it, and then we bought it, and then we...
Patungo kami sa isa sa mga paborito niyang lugar sa Davao.
Yeah, there you go. Yung pantalon daw niya ay Kevlar pants.
Pants. Parang hindi na issue talaga yung ahas. Prayer before we go down, parang safety sa lahat ng team. Lord, salamat sa hatag ni mo ito yung lango, parang pwede pag-explore. Hope the...
Misyonaryong Amerikano ang mga magulang ni Daryl. 30 taon na silang naninirahan dito sa Davao.
And again, Lord, thank you so much for your wonderful creation. Na ipangalan ni Jesus. Amen. So this area here, I've known about this cave since I was 18 or 19 years old. And before, wala pa mga bahay, wala pa na mga development here. So we've seen it change more and more over the years. So this...
All right. Is it okay? Yeah. There are a lot of leaves.
Yeah.
All right.
What it was several years ago.
Okay.
She's having fun. Do you guys hear the bats?
Yes.
And you can smell them too. Ito yung baho is guano.
Wow. Lalim din, ah.
Opo.
Tsaka mukhang malawak sa loob. So, nasa loob na tayo ng kuweba. Kung wala kami mga flashlight, talagang total darkness dito. Halos, no? Kasi, sabi ko halos dahil may pumapasok pa rin na kahit konting aninag ng araw. Dahil may puno eh. Tignan mo, oh.
Bukod sa sangkatutak na paniki, sari-saring hayop ang matatagpuan dito.
This is called a whiptail scorpion.
It's a scorpion.
Actually, it's a spider species, pero merong sila pinchers, how a scorpion would have. Do you see this part right here? Do it without hurting him. He has the front feeler ones, and then this right here, these extend out a long ways, and merong sila pinchers, ito.
Mabuti na lang at wala itong kamandag.
Ito ba'y inaral na ba to? Is it native to the Philippines? I mean,
they're found throughout, as far as I know, throughout Southeast Asia.
Okay.
But they're considered rare. At least that's what the National Geographic, scientists from National Geographic. And so we brought him here, and he had seen more in this cave than he had seen anywhere else.
Medyo tago yung bunganga ng kuweba na to at saka nasa loob pa ng gubat. Pero may ebidensya na matagal nang pumapasok dito yung mga tao. May kasabihan na take nothing but pictures, leave nothing but footprints. Pero yun nga, meron pa ring kaugalian na ganito. At sana magbago na yun. So wala kaming kinalaman sa
Yeah, this one's
kamatayan niya.
This
no?
one's been here for weeks or more.
Ilang linggo na raw siyang patay at unti-unti siyang kinakain ng mga iba't ibang
You can see the
insekto,
other pigs
hayop.
and stuff.
Kasabay ng paglabas namin ng kuweba, ang paglipad ng mga paniki patungong gubat. At meron ng mga nakaabang.
Palabas na kami ng kuweba nung nadat na naman namin to. Ang tawag dito ay isang
Red-tailed rat snake.
red-tailed rat snake kasi parang pula ang kanyang buntot.
They can grow up to almost about 2 meters.
Sa pambihirang pagkakataon, nakuna namin ang mismong pagdakma ng red-tailed rat snake sa isang paniki.
Meron!
He got it, he got it, he got it.
Ngayon lang namin nasaksihan ito.